Kim's Creations. I am starting this particular video off with a scrape. And it was the first one that I had done, and it turned out really quite nice. And then at the end, I drizzled something like from my spatula or my palette knife over the tile and ruined it. These things, they do happen. So I just scraped it all into the center. I'm reusing the paint as I do while I still can, because it's completely fresh. So put it back in, reuse it. Let's not waste any of that pillow paint or any of the paint that, you know, we put on top in doing these blooms. So as you can see there, just kind of off to the side, that is my first color that I am about to lay down, and it is Artist Loft Turquoise. So I'm putting that in there, circling it around for take 2. And here I have Color Art's Interference Violet. I think when you look at the paint, you can kind of see that it's got that violet shimmer to it, or with the spoon too. Very cool color. Next on my pile of colors is TLP, or this little piggy, in Lily Pad. It's beautiful, kind of light green, shifting a little bit silver gold to it. Lovely. And just off to the side there, I am now bringing in Liquitex Basics Cobalt Blue Hue. One of my favorite colors. Just such a pretty, pretty blue. The next beautiful color I have in my hand is another Color Art Interference Blue. Again, hopefully you can see that kind of color shift in the paint pot that I have there, and maybe on my little spoon. And this beautiful pink color is TLP Watermelon. And if that doesn't make your mouth water, I don't know what will. And I am topping all of this off with Liquitex Basics Dioxazine Purple that I have lightened a little bit with a touch of Amsterdam white, titanium white. So I am just now centering my puddle. I'm going to pop a few bubbles, and then we're going to put the cell activator on. And the cell activator today is my first use of a different color CA. I'm actually going to be using Amsterdam's Permanent Red Purple. So let's see how this one goes. I just have to jump in here and say how much I love this one section right here. It is gorgeous. I wish the whole thing was like that, but that was not to be in this case. Now I'm on to my next tile. So I am going to use the stuff that I scraped off the previous tile into the cup, and I am going to put that down to help as my base, and I will be topping it up with some fresh pillow paint. On the second tile, I am using exactly the same colors as last time. So I'm just going to let you guys watch how this one progresses, and I'll come back to you at the end. So welcome back, and here are the dried pieces. So this is the first one that I did, trying to keep my own shadow out of this. It's completely dry. I do not have resin on it yet, but there is a fair amount of shading and iridescent in there that'll really pop once I get the resin on it. So that was the first one, and then here's the second one. Second one is my favorite, but let me know what you think about yours. I just figured that the second piece I blew out so much better just using my mouth than using that little hairdryer. But maybe it's just me and my technique, and I need to get better at doing it. But this one just, the lacing on it is better, the colors, there's more diverse colors, and the shimmer you can definitely see in this one. So I'm gonna keep going, but I am really liking using that kind of pink CA. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And as always, thank you for joining me here. Certainly appreciate you stopping by. And if you like what you've seen, please subscribe, hit that thumbs up notification, and next time I post a video, you'll be notified. Have a great day, night, or afternoon, depending on where you're at. Till next time, bye for now.